And so, we're on our way to meet the famous Parrot. This will be a surprise. Oh, he's not here. Where's the Parrot? Oh, he's there. Hello, Parrot. How are you doing? Well, that's very nice of you. So what's new then? Oh. So what you been saying about Tommy then? I haven't seen you saying much about him these days. Do you still speak to him? Oh dear, dear. And here's me thinking you were a decent guy as well.
Hey, baby, show us your tip.
Oh, dear, dear, dear. Well, looks like you going to the game tomorrow? You're going to be up on your perch? And what is JimmyLawwell saying these days? Do you think we're spending enough money on players? No? No comment? Did you say Pookie there? What's wrong with Pookie? Oh, right. And here's me thinking that you were a good Celtic guy. All right. Well, that's that interview with the Parrot over. So we'll see you again then, Parrot. And don't be doing too much flying around because it's a bit cold out there. Particularly up on your perch.
Nobody loves you. Everybody hates you.
All right. Well, thanks very much. So we'll see you again then. What do you think?
Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then?
Oh dear, dear, dear. That's not the interview I was looking forward to. Anyway, enjoy your mellow birds.
Ollie wants a fucking cracker. Ollie wants a fucking cracker. Give Ollie a fucking cracker now.
Okay then. Okay then. We get the picture.
Hey baby, show us your tip.
Oh. Right. Oh, that's cool, man. That's very cool. That's very cool, that.